Today I'm going to make the ultimate breakfast, a Frito Bandito breakfast hash. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is prep our onion. So we're going to go ahead and just dice up one whole sweet onion for this. So we're also going to prep a couple jalapeños. These will serve as a nice little added heat if you want it to your hash. If you are afraid of the heat, then you're free to leave these off. So we're using frozen tater tots today, so I'm going to go ahead and get these going over here on the griddle. I've already got my griddle heating up here over on high, and I'm just going to hit it with some oil. We're going to do a decent amount of oil because we want to get almost like a fried texture on these tater tots. I've got a huge bag of tater tots here, but I'm not going to use them all. So while those tater tots are cooking, we're going to go ahead and cook our sausage. Going to get that sausage good and chopped up. Once that sausage starts to get brown, we're going to go ahead and throw our onions on there with it. Let them cook right along with the sausage. We're going to go ahead and season up our tater tots while they cook. I just use Blackstone's Essential Blend to season these up, just because they've got basically salt, pepper, and garlic in there, which are the perfect combinations for this. So it is not our goal to keep these tater tots whole. So as they start to actually cook, go ahead and start crushing them up, chopping them up. You can even just smash them a little bit with your spatula. Alright, so once your tots are starting to get good and cooked, we're going to add some Chili Cheese Fritos here. This is what makes it a Frito Bandito hash. So once your sausage looks good and cooked all the way through, we're going to go ahead and combine that with our potatoes and our Fritos. I'm going to go ahead and form this into kind of a round shape because I want it to fit underneath my dome. And so now this last part is going to go pretty quick. So I've turned the heat all the way down, and I'm going to sprinkle a hefty amount of cheese on top here. And then we're going to hit it with some barbecue sauce. I'm just using Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce here. And we're going to go ahead and crack our eggs right on top of it here. I have 6 eggs here. I don't know if I'll get them all on here or not, but we're going to do our best. Our goal is to kind of get them to rest on top and actually make some divots here for the eggs. Give them some place to sit. Alright, there's our eggs, and we're going to finish it off by topping with some of our jalapeños here. This will add a nice sweet heat to it with that sweet barbecue sauce and the heat from the jalapeno. We're going to hit it with our dome, squirt a little water under there to create some steam. While the eggs are cooking, we're going to throw a little bit of extra Fritos in a bag here. And we're just going to pound these to get like a nice little Frito dust. Okay, there we Our eggs look nicely cooked. The goal here is to have the whites be cooked, but the yolk to be still runny. That looks like what we got. And I'm going to finish this with a nice little toast dusting of our crushed Fritos right there on top. We're going to drizzle just a little bit more barbecue sauce right on top. So you could choose to just serve this straight, just dish it up, cut some of that egg off there. But my favorite way to serve it is right on a taco shell. The crunchiness of that chili cheese Frito, the creaminess of that just slightly undercooked egg, and the heat from that jalapeno, and the sweetness from the barbecue sauce. It's just got so much going on here. It's a perfect balance. It's delicious. Make sure you go give it a try. Let me know if you do.